Okay, hello people of the... Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Okay, so I am recording this, since for the summer I am in my sister's house. And I'm not at my house, so I'm recording this in her living room since I don't have my own room here. And nobody knows that I'm recording, and I'm pretty sure my mom is somewhere? I don't know where my mom is. So yeah, I'm sorry if anyone comes running through the door staring at me. Okay, so this video is going to be how to draw a bird. Okay, so first you're gonna wanna do this. There you go. That's your basic bird shape. So then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna add some legs. You know, those little things that most things have? Yeah, those are called legs, if you didn't know that. Okay, so there you go. This is looking like a pretty good bird. Next, you're gonna want to draw their eyes. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me do this. And then, no. Oh yes, and the app I'm drawing this on is called IBX Paint, I'm pretty sure. You might have heard of it already. Then you're gonna want to draw this beak, okay? And it's essential that you put it just about eyes length. And then, and it has to be a triangle. There's no, like, square beaks. There's triangle beaks. And that's it. Okay, I feel like this little buddy is missing some eyebrows, so there you go. Okay, never mind. That looks weird. Then we're gonna draw the little feathers on the back. That is an essential part of a bird. You have to have those. Then we're gonna want to draw the wings. And you know what? Let's just do this real quick. This is some good old-fashioned Pope, not Coke. Even though I do want you to sponsor me, Senpai. Okay, so there we go. That is a bird. Essentially a bird. So yeah, thank you for watching. And of course, don't anger a pigeon, because they are robots created by the government. Crap, I don't have Shake to turn it off.